And it's February 15th, 2021. I believe we've got some snow outside. I've been here, let's see, I've been here 5 years, 5.5 years. So we'll go out here. I've been feeding the birds. Some of them are kind of shy and some of them come back, they'll fly back around. Anyway, we've got about 7, 8 inches of snow. I cleared off the porch and set a bowl out there so the birds can get something to eat, have a little breakfast, whatever I can feed them. Look at them up there in the tree waiting on me to move on. They're looking at me, giving me the evil eye. I said, "We're hungry, get out of the way, we don't trust you." Well, Bloomburg, Texas. Pretty good snow going here. All right, that one started to land. He chickened out at the last second. I guess they're just, oh, there we go. There we go. Let's see, I'm not going to hurt the baby. Oh, you chicken. You big chicken. I wasn't going to hurt you. I put the food out there to feed you. Feed all I ever seen. All right. I guess I'll go back inside. No, that one faked me out. I thought it was going to land. I bet they're hungry. Okay, I'll go back inside. All right. All right, I'll go back inside before they start cussing me out in bird language. Okay. So, anyway, nice cozy house in here. A lot warmer in here than it is out there.